Mrs. Hamill and I'm a teacher of psychology and English. I began my teaching career in 2005 and since then I've had the great pleasure of being able to teach both locally in my home country and internationally. Psychology is the main subject I teach and I enjoy it because it allows me to explore the complexities of the human mind with my students. Classes are an opportunity to dive into the science of how the mind works and mental processes, which I personally find intriguing. I enjoy witnessing those aha moments when students are able to connect the theory of what's happening in the classroom with their own lived everyday experience. Plus, the field of psychology is ever growing, ever developing and ever expanding, and so I get the opportunity to learn alongside my students too. I've really enjoyed settling into life at Denla British School. I'm inspired by the vision of the school to be ever moving towards greater and better things. I think the atmosphere in the school is a fertile kind of soil for us to grow and develop, not just as students but also as staff as well. It's a place where we can all thrive and I'm very thankful to be a part of this school.